Hey, what's up, guys? Hopefully y'all are doing well. I'm just enjoying the beautiful May weather here in Massachusetts right now, and I want to talk to y'all about direction and how it's so integral for you to know not only where you're at, and assess yourself in the environment, where you're at in relation to whatever you're trying to achieve or wherever you're trying to go, and where you want to go. Because the truth is that, if you don't have the ability to punch in the direction you want to go in the GPS that is your mind, we'll talk a little bit more about reticular activating systems and things like that, you are going to literally be running in circles. And it's so fascinating that you need, and the human mind needs reference points, needs targets to be able to go in the direction that you want. A very interesting test that was done on the human mind and its ability to have reference points was that, they took a group of individuals and put them in the middle of the forest, all right? And they tested with people, and you guys can Google this if you want afterwards. They tested a group of people that were given no direction, and they were just told, hey, go straight, and you'll get out of the forest. And then another group of people were given reference points of where they were headed. And it's so fascinating, okay? However you put it, however they split it, if you did not give somebody a reference point of where they were going, they always ended up going in circles. It's so fascinating how the human mind works. However, if you gave, and they did, they gave a group of people reference points and a direction to where to go, they always ended up getting to where they wanted to go. So when it comes to life, when it comes to where you want to go, when it comes to envisioning the life that you want for yourself, create targets, create goals, create milestones so that you know where to go and you can actually judge where you're headed, right? For a lot of people in the beginning, it becomes about bank account and money. Recently, I talked to a very capable and honestly a mentor of mine that I admire him a lot, 100 millionaire, 100 plus millionaire, I don't even know how rich he is. And I asked him, what motivates you so much? He's so fast. He operates so quickly. I mean, it's amazing how effectively this man operates. And I asked him, why? How are you so hungry? What keeps you going still every single day? And he told me, he said, Zan, I just love leveling up. I love getting to the next level. I have a thirst and a love of life and the ability to execute. And I asked him, okay, great. So, clearly the next goal is a B, right? You're going to hit a B. Because he's already worth 100 plus, right? And, he said, Zan, honestly, the B doesn't excite me as much as the kill, as the thrill of achievement. So I want to ask you, I want you to ask yourself rather, what is that milestone that you're going after right now? What's that milestone that you're going after? It can be monetary, health-wise, life-wise, you want to exit your business, you want to build a business, whatever. All right, and let me know in the comments below what your next milestone is and what you're gonna do to actually achieve that milestone. Hopefully that was helpful, guys, and have a wonderful rest of the day.